Hold on to your hats, folks. It's time to dive into some jaw-dropping cheetah facts. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, reaching up to 75 miles per hour in just a few seconds. They're built for speed, with slender bodies, long legs, and flexible spines. And those claws? Semi-retractable for better grip, like nature's cleats. Did you know cheetahs chirp like birds instead of roaring? And their spotted coats, perfect for sneaky camouflage in tall grasses. Unlike most big cats, male cheetahs form social groups called coalitions. It's like a cheetah frat house. But life isn't all speed and socializing. Cheetahs are vulnerable due to habitat loss and other threats. Showing these speedsters some love can help them race into a safer future. Want more fun animal facts? Hit that like button and stay tuned. Across the globe, a passionate community shares a profound admiration for the cheetah. These individuals are united by their love for this remarkable creature. They are captivated by its unparalleled speed and grace. From seasoned wildlife photographers to enthusiastic schoolchildren, the cheetah's allure knows no bounds. It is a shared passion that transcends geographical boundaries and cultural differences. The cheetah holds a unique place in our collective imagination. Perhaps it is the animal's sleek physique built for pure speed, or maybe it is the intensity in their eyes as they lock onto their prey. Whatever the reason, the cheetah inspires awe and wonder in equal measure. This global community of cheetah lovers is not just a fan club. It is a movement driven by a deep-seated desire to protect this magnificent creature. The cheetah embodies the spirit of the African savanna. It is a creature of breathtaking beauty. Its spotted coat, a masterpiece of natural camouflage, allows it to blend seamlessly into the grasslands. With a flick of its tail and a burst of astonishing acceleration, the cheetah comes alive. No animal on Earth can match its raw speed. But the cheetah is more than just a speedster. It is also a highly intelligent and adaptable predator. Cheetahs are incredibly agile. They can change direction with astonishing swiftness, their bodies moving like liquid. They are not endurance runners, relying instead on bursts of speed and tactical maneuvering to secure their meals. Sadly, the cheetah's very existence is under threat. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and the illegal wildlife trade have all taken a devastating toll on cheetah populations. Cheetahs are now classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their numbers have dwindled to alarmingly low levels. The situation is particularly dire in certain parts of Africa, where habitat fragmentation has isolated cheetah populations. This isolation makes them more vulnerable to disease and genetic problems. The loss of even a single cheetah is a tragedy. Each individual represents not just a life, but a vital thread in the tapestry of biodiversity. Section 4. Guardians of the cheetah. The global community of cheetah lovers is acutely aware of the challenges facing their beloved species. They are not simply passive admirers, they are active participants in cheetah conservation. Through their unwavering support, they are making a tangible difference in the fight to save these magnificent creatures. Donations from individuals and organizations fund vital conservation initiatives. These initiatives include anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and community outreach programs. Volunteers dedicate their time and energy to supporting cheetah conservation efforts on the ground. They assist with research, education, and advocacy initiatives. Section 5. Nurturing a legacy. Raising cheetahs, particularly in captivity, is a complex and challenging endeavor. It requires specialized knowledge, meticulous care, and a deep understanding of cheetah behavior. Zoos and wildlife sanctuaries around the world play a crucial role in cheetah conservation through their captive breeding programs. These programs aim to maintain genetically diverse populations of cheetahs. They provide a safe haven for cheetahs that can no longer survive in the wild. Captive breeding programs also offer a unique opportunity to study cheetah behavior and biology in a controlled environment. This knowledge is invaluable for informing conservation efforts in the wild. Section 6. Securing a future. The future of the cheetah rests on our collective shoulders. We must act now to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come. Education is key. The more people understand about cheetahs and the threats they face, the more likely they are to support conservation efforts. We can all make a difference in our own way. Support organizations working to protect cheetahs. Reduce your carbon footprint to help combat climate change, which exacerbates habitat loss. Speak out against the illegal wildlife trade. Together, we can secure a future for the cheetah, ensuring that its breathtaking speed and grace continue to inspire us all.